Hello guys, you're watching Gyan. My name is Gyan and guys, this video is all about conjunctive two. Yes, you heard it correct. We're gonna discuss conjunctive 2 in the most detailed way, the most easiest way to understand what it is, how it is, future tense, past tense, like each and everything in this video. I hope you're gonna love this video. If you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes, interview preparation, 10th, 12th exam preparation. Guys, whatever you can think around German Gun is a one-stop solution for all your queries. So why to think? Enroll with German Gun and let's get into this video. Let's go.
Konjunktiv II, the difference between würde, hätte, and wäre. If you are confused between würde, hätte, and wäre in German, and you don't know when you have to use Konjunktiv II, then in this video I'll explain Konjunktiv II simply with rules and examples. First question, what is Konjunktiv II? So Konjunktiv II is used to talk about unreal situations, wishes, polite request and imagination. For example, ich würde reisen, ich hätte Zeit, ich wäre glücklich. These are not the real situations. In Konjunktiv II, we have three different important forms. The first one is würde plus infinitive. This form is used when we have an action verb. So, würde is conjugated at the second place according to the subject and the action verb goes at the end of the sentence in the infinitive form. For example, ich würde nach Deutschland reisen. So here würde is conjugated according to ich and the main verb reisen is at the end of the sentence. That means we use würde plus infinitive structure when we have an action verb in the sentence. Then second form is hätte, which is the conjugation of haben in Kaswai. So where we have haben as the main verb, over there we use this conjugation. For example, ich hätte mehr Zeit or wenn ich Geld hätte, würde ich reisen. Then third form is wäre. This is the Kaswai form of sein and we use this form when we have sein as a main verb in the sentence. For example, ich wäre glücklich. Second, wenn ich in Deutschland wäre, würde ich Deutsch sprechen. And third one, wäre Arzt. Würde versus hätte versus wäre. So hätte and wäre, these are the real verbs, means the conjugations of haben and sein in Kaswai. But würde, this is used when we have other action verbs in the sentence. For example, ich hätte Zeit, here haben is the main verb or the real verb. Ich wäre müde, again sein is the real verb. And ich würde schlafen, here würden is not the verb, here the main verb is schlafen and because that is an action verb we are using würden. And remember, we never use würden with haben and sein. For example, ich würde haben Zeit. This is wrong. Or ich würde sein glücklich. This sentence is again wrong. That means we never use würden with sein or haben. We use when connector in Konjunktiv II. So the sentence structure for when is just same that we always use, but we have to take care that the conjugation which we are using is in Kaswai. For example, wenn ich Zeit hätte, würde ich reisen. Second, wenn ich reich wäre, würde ich ein Haus kaufen. And the third one, wenn ich Deutsch könnte, würde ich in Deutschland arbeiten. Konjunktiv II is also used for polite request. For example, ich hätte gern einen Kaffee means I would like to have a coffee. Or könnten Sie mir helfen? So here, könnten is the conjugation of können in Kaswai which shows politeness and the meaning is could you please help me? Third one, würden Sie bitte langsamer sprechen means would you please speak little slower.
Guys, how was this video? I hope you love this. I hope you're gonna shower lots of love. We'll catch you in the next one. Children, keep learning German and German. Take care. Cheers.